Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Ibrahim, and today I'm going to walk you through how to hide files inside Google Drive. View and Hide, full 2026 guide. If you've ever wanted a clever way to keep certain files tucked away where others won't easily notice them, this simple method is all you need. Let's get started and break it down smoothly. First, open up Google Drive in your browser and make sure you're signed in so the homepage loads correctly. Once you're in, click on Nos Drive Nowhere to open your main file area where all your folders, photos, and documents are stored. Choose any file or photo you want to hide and open the options for that item so we can work with its settings. When the file is selected, click on the three dots menu to bring up the extended options panel. From there, choose File Information, which lets you view more details about that specific file. Inside that panel, click on Manage Versions, so you can see all stored versions of the file along with the options for updating them. Next, select Upload New Versions here to which is the trick that allows us to replace the actual viewable file with something different while keeping the original stored. After clicking that, choose the option that lets you upload any file you want as the new visible version. Most people use a blank file, a harmless image, or something that won't give away what the original was. Once you've uploaded it, simply close the window using the close button so the process is finalized. And that's it. Your original file is now safely hidden inside the file's version history, and only someone who knows how to check those versions will ever find it. It's a simple but surprisingly effective way to keep things private inside Google Drive. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more guides like this, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a new video.